Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back. Today I want to talk about AGIX SingularityNet. In my last video that I made about 3-4 days ago, I was talking about watch that 38-cent level. If that fails to hold, I expect to push down that 29-cent level. That was about a 24-25% pullback. That happened exactly as predicted. I did also mention watch for that 50-day moving average. As you can see, we have currently got a breakout candle, confirmation candle, and it's currently playing in contact with that 50-day moving average. So watch for that level. If it fails to hold above 38 cent level, it probably will push back down to that 29-cent level. If that fails to hold, I expect it pulling back to that 22-cent level. So if we flip over to the weekly time frame, you can see I was saying watch for that 29-cent level because that horizontal area acts as key support and resistance, acted as resistance here during the 2021 bull market, managed to overcome it, pushed above it, then it held it as support, it lost it, and then it quickly turned back into resistance. You can also see it acted as support here on that candle. Another thing to keep an eye out for, just watch because the MACD is very overbought as we speak. You can also see that we do have the red line on top for the stochastic RSI. So when the red line's on top, I expect bearish price action. When the green line's on top, you can expect bullish price action. So currently the bears are in control on the weekly time frame. It is currently sitting about 70 on the weekly RSI, so it is currently just a smidgen overbought. So now another thing on the daily time frame to watch, keep an eye out for, is going to be this trend line here on the RSI, on the daily RSI. If we manage to push up into it as resistance, I would expect to see a pullback. As you can see, we also have the stochastic RSI is currently bullish, so we could see a little uptick here in price action on the daily time frame. Now, I did expect a push back up to test that highs that was set between the 7th to 8th of February. That was also when the Google Trends, Google Analytics was also at peak saturation with AI and ChatGPT. We did have that symmetrical triangle. It did break out, but it did get rejected from the golden pocket on the Fibonacci retracement tool, which it got rejection from that 54-cent level. If I quickly put that in, you can see it got resistance from that 0.5 level, the golden Fibonacci pocket. Now, it is currently coming into contact with that green 50-day moving average. Just do keep in mind, we are very stretched apart. The price action is currently well and truly above, the 50-day moving average and that red 200-day moving average. Now, we have come into contact with it here now, but if we do fail to hold, and we do push down through that 29-cent level, your first area to watch for a bounce would be that 22-cent level, 22 cent level, because you had that sideways bullish consolidation before your next surge up to that high. Now, if this, you can see lots of people brought AGIX here. You can see the volume bars. Now, there is a very big pocket down here. So if we do fail to hold 16-17 cent level, I would expect a pullback all the way down to that 6-cent level. So if we currently fail to hold here again from 38 cents, we did have that 24-25% pullback as I predicted. Now, if we do fail and we pull back to that 22-cent level, you're talking about a 43-44% pullback. So just do keep in mind, I do expect a pullback to that 200-day moving average if it fails to hold. But if we do manage to hold and trade between 38 cents to that 58-cent level in this zone here, I would expect it to have another crack at this all-time high, but then you do have to keep in mind that daily RSI, is it going to get a bearish divergence and we just wick above that high that was set back on the 8th of February and we wick above it by, 1 or 2 cents, and then you do see like a topping tower candle or something and it pushes it back down. So just do keep an eye out for those levels, guys. That's AGIX, that's my predictions. Anyway, guys, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the very next video. GameX out. Peace.